Maria, where are you? Maria, get out of that bougainvillea. Come down, Maria. Maria, get out of that bougainvillea.
What?
Don't
You
be climbing that
feeling me, huh?
bougainvillea.
Well, I was checking it out. I was checking and see how it's doing. Um, this is not a really good video, but it's okay. I just want to share my beautiful, beautiful bougainvillea. I just every day I come out, I see it, and I say, God, I gotta share with you this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful tree. What it is, all I do to this plant, I never water it, never, never, never water. Okay, maybe once a week the sprinkler system come up and water it. Also, what I do, I put a lot of osmocote. Okay, so come in with me. So what I usually do, I usually remove the mulch in here, remove the mulch, and make a little. Oh, it's a lot of grass in here. I gotta clean this. Um, Around. What you do, you remove the mulch. See, and you put the osmocote here, and then you cover it up. That way, if the rain come, the rain doesn't take it away. So you just don't throw it there. I usually always put my osmocote and put soil or something in there. Other thing I was gonna tell you, every year I get a letter, and you see these little things over here. These things, you clip in here. The flowers are gone. When all these flowers are gone, this encourages the plant to have more flowers. So every year I come over here like this one. You see this one? It's almost gone, no flowers. You see? So you take this out every year, once a year, and the plant will produce more flowers. And this plant is all around. Doesn't have hardly any green. You can see it. It's just amazing how beautiful it is. And you see one more over here. When all the flowers are gone, you remove this. Just clip them all, and the next year, when it's time to bloom, the plant will have more blooms than what usually is expected to. Okay, so that's all for today, and I just love my plant, and I want to share it with you. Until next time from Maria's Garden. Bye bye. Bye. Oh, other thing I was gonna say, I almost forgot this. Okay, I have a lot of orders that you guys place, but I have a little concern about the cold. So when I'm gonna send those boxes out, it's gonna be the first day of spring next month. Okay, I think it's the first week or second week. I'm gonna send each box out. I'm holding there the boxes. The boxes are ready to go. They don't have the desert roses, of course, but I'm gonna send them out then. There's a reason. It's too cold, and I'm concerned about the plant. I'm concerned about frozen before you get it. So you have any other ideas, or you change your mind or something, it's not a problem. You just let me know, okay? But that's when I'm planning to send all the plants that you guys ordered. The first was spring. That will be the right thing to do for the plant, and for you and for me, for everything. So that's what I decide to do. So you guys let me know if it's a problem. I can fix it. And today, the story about today is about bunnies. Listen to this. Bunnies, okay? When I was around, I don't know, maybe 6, 7 years old, I was kind of like, I always get what I want. I don't know, but I always managed to get what I want. I was a little spoiled. So I convinced my mother that I want bunnies. So she said, okay, I give you some bunnies. So she have a guy come over and make a platform, concrete platform, maybe 5 by 12 long, and then they put palm fence around, palms. The center of the palm, they make a fence with wire and that. So I said, well, the bunnies are gonna eat the palm and then go out. So I put chicken wire around, but it was no top and top. So I was very upset about it because my bunnies were getting wet, and all they have was little houses where they go to sleep, little clay houses where they have babies and they go to sleep. So anyway, finally I convinced her to build me a little house like the tiki, the same like a tiki, but these have walls around palm walls and wire and everything. In the ground, I put pavers because I didn't want my bunnies to dig and get out. So, and then my mother buy me maybe 6, 7 little houses, they're clay houses for bunnies to shelter or to have the babies. So I have about 300 bunnies. They were white bunnies with red eyes. But of course, we don't need those. They're my little pets, my babies. And all I did is buy food, take care of them, and they have a little door there. I go to morning check. They're all like beautiful. And every morning I wake up and I go. So sometimes you will go there in the morning and you see a bunny, no hair. A mama bunny, no hair. She had pulled all the hair out of her body, each little piece. Guess why? You go find the hair in the little house. All the hair was gone in the little house. The next morning you go, she don't have no hair at all then. And you see 6, 7 bunnies in there. 6, 7 bunnies in there. Little babies. Tiny little babies, maybe 3 inches long, little fat little things moving around with their clothes, so cute. And I will go, oh my God. But these bunnies, that's how they did. And eventually she will grow her hair back, but she will put every piece of her hair and she will make this beautiful silk nest for the bunnies. Anyway, I was afraid to touch it when they're little. I touched it until they had a fur and everything and play with them. And I believe every 90 days they will have every 90 days they will produce babies. So I will have so many babies. And that's the story for today. Bye bye. Bye bye. Until next time, Maria's Garden.